Hi, Secret Garden family and friends. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It is so beautiful outside. Today, I thought I would share with you a simple experiment that you can do with a couple household items. We've got a marker, a baggie, about 3/4 cups of water, some tape, and some food dye. The food dye is optional. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna make a water cycle in a bag. So on your bag, you are going to draw waves about an inch or inch and a half from the bottom of the bag. We're going to draw a little sun. And a cloud. So after we have got our drawing, we're going to open our bag. Pour in our water. And seal it up. After you have your baggie nice and sealed, we're going to grab our tape and we are going to take a piece put it on our baggie and hang it up in some sunlight. And what's going to happen is we are going to get some evaporation coming from the bottom of the water. It is going to condense at the top and then it's going to come back down as precipitation. So you have made your own water cycle in a baggie. I hope you guys enjoyed. I still miss you guys so much and I hope to see you soon.